Beijing Auto has been cloning the Mercedes-Benz G-Class for some time now under the BJ80 moniker, with this latest 6x6 version paying an unsolicited tribute to the monstrous G63 AMG 6x6. The car will be on display later this week at the 2018 Beijing Auto Show, giving visitors the chance to admire its looks and proportions. While the two products do look alike, we reckon the BJ80 6x6 is slightly smaller than the G63 6x6, although we'll probably need to wait until Wednesday for some official figures. These images courtesy of Auto Home and Cato show the car outside the China International Exhibition Center, probably waiting its turn to be driven in. Visually, it's very similar to the original product, yet there are a number of features that stick out like a handful of sore thumbs. To name a few, there are the two tiny headlights within the cluster, the tow hook that barely fits underneath that massive spare wheel, the LED light bar, the winch and of course the snorkel. From what we can gather, the cabin of the BJ80 6x6 is pretty much identical to that of the regular BJ80, with one or two minor differences that might actually matter. For starters, the regular car doesn't have any contrast stitching, whereas this 6x6 version does. It also comes with perforated leather on the steering wheel and better looking leather seats, boasting the diamond quilt pattern Mercedes likes to use. As for what's driving those wheels, we're hearing that it's a Saab-sourced 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder unit, sending 250 horsepower and 350 newton-meters, 258 pounds-to-foot, of torque to all six wheels with the help of a 6-speed automatic transmission. However, some form of hybridization seems to be in play. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.